Hey everyone, welcome back to Fix Zone. Today, we're diving into a super useful trick, how to watch European Netflix on your iPhone. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need a VPN. Head over to the App Store and search for a VPN of your choice. For this tutorial, we'll be using IPVanish VPN. Just type that in, and it should be the top result. Make sure it looks like Show Image of the IPVanish app. Go ahead and download it. Once it's downloaded, tap Open. You'll see a privacy screen. Tap Login at the bottom and enter your account details. If you don't have an IPVanish account yet, no worries. Click the link in the description or the pinned comment to get an exclusive discount on your IPVanish account. Trust me, it's worth it. Okay, logged in? Great. You'll be taken to the privacy screen again. Choose one of the options. It might ask you to do a tutorial, but for this example, I'm going to click Skip. Next, you'll be prompted to set up your device. Click Finish, and after a couple of seconds, you'll see a pop-up asking to set up a VPN configuration. Hit Allow. You'll need to enter your iPhone passcode. Alright, you're back in the VPN app. Now for the magic. We want that sweet European Netflix content. Click Locations at the bottom. Now, pick a European server. I'm going with Germany in this example. Once you've selected your server, hit Connect. Give it a few seconds, and bam! You're successfully connected to a German server. Your iPhone now thinks it's chilling in Germany. Time to exit the VPN app and open Netflix. Sign into your account and choose your profile. And there you have it. You're now browsing the German version of Netflix. See? It even says, Top 10 TV programs in Germany today. Just pick something you want to watch and enjoy. That's all there is to it. Remember, if you want to grab that exclusive discount on IPVanish, the link is in the description and the pinned comment. And if you found this video helpful, please smash that like button. Got any questions or comments? Leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next Fix Zone video.